I got my Kodak Step Instant Mobile Photo Printer, and it prints with Bluetooth from your phone or tablet. It's a nice way to get your family pictures or even your nature pictures, however you photograph, it's all you. And then it prints out on this wonderful zinc photo paper. You don't even need a printer cartridge. You print it on that. And then this one I got happens to be stickers, so you can put it in your journal. And this is just wonderful. I mean, this is for if you're on the go and you just want to print out your little memories and instant moments right then and there.
What is that?
These are our border papers. Here's our zinc paper. Here's our charger cord. Very nice.
Okay. Oh.
I also ordered the Kodak Zinc photo paper refills. You get 100 sheets. You do not need any printer. It prints itself. And here are your 10-pack refills. These are the size 2x3s, and they are absolutely perfect. The printer itself comes with a pack of 5, but I went ahead and got extra because you always want to have something on hand for your little moments. It is zero ink technology. So after you get your printer out, you want to connect it and start charging it up. The light is red and then it turns green when it's fully charged. Then you want to, right here, gently push, follow the arrow, and you want to install your paper. When you're installing your paper, it's very important that this calibration sheet is down and that the glossy side is up. Every stack is going to have that blue paper. And then, of course, you replace the lid. Then you're going to want to turn on your printer, and now it's on. The next step is they have a QR code for you to scan so you can get the Kodak Step Prints app. That is free. You can get it on Apple or Google Play. Then you want to pair it with your phone, Bluetooth, pair it. You hold down your power button right here for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Yep. And you see how that's blinking? That's when you're going to pair it to your phone. You have your Bluetooth on and you select the Kodak Print app from that. Once you have your Bluetooth up and this is blinking, to pair it, you select the Kodak Step Printer from your Bluetooth setting on whichever phone you have. And then you're ready to edit your photo or print your photos from the app. So the first thing that's going to come out when you're printing from your phone is going to be this blue calibration sheet. And then afterwards, your picture comes out and there's your photograph. And that is how you work your new Kodak printer.